Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got another freebie for you all people. Let me know when you're ready for me to stop. All right, the name of the watch face is called Titan Analog. I thought the developer did a really good job with this one. I think we can get away with dressing up with this one, if not at least super casual as well as casual. Now in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice design for the Gears 3. It's pretty much going to look the same. The color theme is going to be different, but the Gears 2 is going to have a slightly different look, but you will be able to get your analog time at a glance with no problem. Now when the watch face is on, I'm loving the huge dial and I'm loving the theme that's going on in the background. It looks really nice, brings out the watch face as well. Now I do like the color of the dials because it blends in with that black background. It's not a bad look at all. Now it is an analog watch face. You are going to get a nice red second hand that's going to be creeping around the bezel of the watch. Now in your dials, that's going to be your battery info, that's going to be your step status info, and right here it's going to be your date. Now I love the look of this one because you got the days of the week that's surrounding the actual date, and it is inactive. So if I tap on here, I can go into my calendar, set an event. If I tap over here, I can get my step status info as well. Not a bad look. And of course right here you are going to get battery info. Now you're not going to be able to change the color or change the theme in the background, but considering that it is free, who cares? Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is called Mango. It is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So just remember, I don't know how long it's going to be free. So remember, download ASAP. Cool? All right, let's check this watch face out. Now again, the name of the watch face is called Mango. And in AOD mode, you are going to get the same design for the most part, at least for the Gears 3. But when the watch face is on, you're going to get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. You will get your date up under the digital time and the day of the week as well. And you come down, you got a couple of dials. One is going to give you a step status info, and the other is going to give you your battery. You got your heart rate information down at the bottom, and it is inactive. So if I tap here, I can go in, get my step status, and here it's going to bring up my battery information. Not a bad look for a free watch face. Again, just trying to get you ready for the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.